Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your browser and device support Material You update to the latest stable build. Once done, open Settings and enable the Material You New Tab flag or theme toggle. This is the gatekeeper that allows dynamic color extraction. Then restart the browser. Don't skip this step, and open a new tab. You will see the initial color extraction begin from your wallpaper or system theme. If extraction doesn't run automatically, proceed to manually trigger the theme sync in the next step. You now select the visual source. Pick a wallpaper or system theme that has the colors you want extracted. Once chosen, open the new tab Appearance Controls and trigger Sync Theme or Apply Material You. You should see a live preview of colors applied to the new tab UI. Make adjustments like accent strength, contrast, and quick shortcut layout to optimize readability. If a color element clashes with text or icons, slightly reduce accent intensity or increase contrast until everything is legible and cohesive. You finish by saving your settings and testing across several tabs and modes to confirm consistency. If colors don't appear or revert, clear the theme cache or reselect the wallpaper and resync. That forces a fresh extraction. Also make sure no extensions, experimental flags, or accessibility color overrides are conflicting. Disable them briefly to diagnose. Finally, if issues persist, restart the device. That single troubleshooting tip. Disable overrides. Fixes most fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.